truncated code, which means
A what? Goat?
truncated code.
A what? A what?
Truncated code.
I don't know, what's that? Huh?
Truncated code. TRUNCATED. Truncated code. CONE.
What is code? What is it?
Okay, so code is okay. So code
Truncated what?
code.
Cone. C-O-N-E.
So which means so code actually come from a code.
Goat.
Code.
Cone. I thought goat.
But the vector of so code cut off the top of the code. So that's how.
Oh, so it's supposed to be like that.
But the vector of the so code.
There you show. It's supposed to be like that with a pointed.
Be like that.
You show.
So the original one used to be like this. Okay, but then the vector also go because of the tip of the code. So because the legend say because the code is too tall and so it's really fall off their head.
Okay, speak slower. Too fast. Speak slower. Slower.
The legend says
The legend says
the songkok originally in cone shape.
was in a cone shape.
But the vector of the songkok because of the top, because it is too tall and it is and the songkok is being fall off your head. So that's why they cut off the cone.
Aha.
Okay, so how does where does songkok come from? Okay, in 1826, Osmanian Empire likes to come to Asia. So when they come to
Osmanian Empire? Kok Osmanian Empire? Osmanian Empire, okay.
so when they come to Asia, they always like to wear vest. Vest is they had with the songkok, but it's taller with
Strings.
which they like to wear. The vest is in red colour usually. Okay, so the creator of the songkok look at the vest and say, why don't we make our own culture hat? So that's where they create the songkok with originally from cone, but then they cut off the cone, the top of the cone. Okay, so songkok is where Malaysia are playing. So in Malaysia, songkok is like a Muslim man hat. So whenever they have ceremony like Idul Adha or Idul Fitri, so they will wear it, or they